I tell you, I goes up for she man. Because she a 1% in her life.
Yeah.
How long with you?
Yeah, I feel.
So you ready for back to school?
Ready.
But you not go to school, so you can't ready for back to school.
I go to school every day, I know that.
I feel like nothing is a father for her. But I carry water for around 4-5 years for her. I tell you the truth.
Yeah.
But big up him and to the extended family, all for love and respect. Every time you see me.
Yeah. I'm ever $100 a year for you as well too. You know, for father for the year.
Yeah.
From Everton and Anne-Marie, same place from Canada.
No, come
Alright. Level? The man passed level long time. Level was 11 years ago. Everton.
Thank you, Anne-Mariana.
Everton.
It's so nice of you to thought of this donating to us. I really appreciate that, and I hope you have a blessed day and live a happy, good life.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well. Alright guys, so what kind of driving it is? Alright guys, so blessed love. So basically I am going to get some popcorn, you know, for the machine for us to pop the corn for the kids them, you know, and get some oil and butter and salt and sugar and them stuff for the candy machine as well too, and, you know, and get some other stuff today. So I'm heading into Tree because they said there's a place in Tree that sells it. What's it? Chong? Something like Chong, the place name. I don't know exactly where it is, so I'm gonna call and find out, get by the information to see exactly. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, so I'm gonna literally go and find out exactly where it is, you know, and then we need to go get the hot dog and the buns and all this good stuff. So we was gonna get do the face painting, but we cannot literally gonna get the time because the person that do the face painting, they don't have them equipment for the face painting, you know. So in order for us to do the face painting for the kids, we'd have to go and buy the brushes and the paint and all of this stuff as well too, you know. So time is kind of limited as well, so we need to go downtown also to go and get the juice, you know, the box drinks for the kids them as well too, which is we have to go downtown to get that at a more reasonable price. So downtown would be the exact place we'd have to go and get that, and cake as well too. So wow, we need to put in the order as well to go and get the cake. Listen, time is like it's moving so fast, it's sticking, you know, and it does keep moving. So we have to try to get everything done, like literally, because the main thing that we got done, we got the chicken and got that seasoned up from the same day we bought it, you know, have that on the fridge, so that's ready to go drop in the fryer as well too. So we need to go buy the big gallon of oil as well too, like I think it's the 5 gallon, you know. We need to go get the big gallon of oil for us to be frying the chips and the chicken, you know, and then we're gonna get the rice as well to cook rice off. Oh, we already have rice, so we don't need to buy any rice. We have rice already, and I think we don't have peas, so we have to buy the peas and the coconut as well to do the rice and peas as well too. So there's a lot of things to get done, and I also need to confirm. Okay, so remember I mentioned about the barrel that meant to come with the more bags as well too. Like we're praying that it literally will be ready by today or tomorrow. You know, so the Overcomers is literally speaking right now, you know, to the shipping company to see how best we can get that. You know, if not, as what I said, we have to leave that one until after the treat, just in case if everyone don't get a bag, we literally get them name, you know, and then whenever we get the bag, you know, we take out a bag and give them the bag with the books. And the Overcomers, we have selected 10 names for the kids them that pass PEP as well too, you know. So the Overcomers will give in a scholarship, you know, to help out with their school fee and stuff. So we give thanks to the Overcomers, you know, because guys, the Overcomers been doing this from the start till now, you know. They've been the strong foundation behind that, you know. And also we have to give thanks to Lukuyu also, and Country from White Plains Road, you know. They've been solid behind it, and all our excellent family that contributed towards it as well too. We thank you guys so much for the contribution towards this back to school treat. You know, it's really a blessings, you know, for helping out, you know, moving on, you know. So each year, you know, we have to give thanks to Ava and the Q1 is from Miramar, you know. Remember guys, the Q1 is at different location, you know. So the Q1 is them that did send the bag from year before. They're from Miramar, you know, and that's Ava, and the Q1 is from Miramar. So even them as well to get some more bags. So Ava was planning and see if she could make the trip where she could literally bring them come down, you know. So we're still waiting to find out by today and tomorrow what's the latest. If not, we're still gonna have some more bags again to give out for who haven't received any bags. So bear in mind guys, you know, if anybody don't get back, they will definitely get after, you know. So we're trying to make sure so we have everything organized and everything ready, you know, for this back to school trip, you know, and treats. So it's gonna be a lovely day, you know. We have a lot of food there as well too, nourishment for the kids them, you know. We're gonna have 2 bouncer castle and a trampoline as well too on the street, which is we're also gonna have, you know, police present is gonna be there to make sure say everything runs smooth and all of that, you know. I will give thanks for the police as well to be playing a part for the present, you know. So everything's looking good, everything's looking great. So we give thanks and we're gonna continue doing what we're doing, you know. And so guys, as I say, after all of this, you know, we're moving on back into the building of projects, you know. So we keep elevating and helping out each other, you know. So I'm saying the journey is long. This is something that I'm going to literally be doing, you know, for the rest of my life, you know, and I will never stop doing, you know. I do music same way, but that's not going to impede what the music is going to do, you know. Is going to help fund back the work that I'm doing, you know. So for me to be making money from the music is literally, that's my dream, to helping out back, you know, with whatever I'm making, you know. So I think that is just literally my purpose, to be giving back, because I always say this is all about what you leave behind, because we're not going to take anything with us, you know. It might sound weird to some people who think say, yo, you're going to go to your grave with everything what you have. No, you're not going to go to your grave with what you have, you know. So you will work all your life, save all the money you want, have all the valuables that you need, the assets and all of that, and when it comes down to that point, you see me, you're not taking nothing with you, you know. So it's just what you leave behind, so for your generation to inherit, you know. And some if them do have a generation to inherit it, then the government will fight for your money and all of that, and fight for what you left behind, you know. So it's all about what you do and when you left behind, because you're not going to see this physical feature nowhere at all here on this universe. And so it's an inspiration to others, you know, if we can literally inspire others to continue doing what we literally are doing, you know. So that is the whole aim, you know, to see if we can change the mindset of a lot of things that's been going on that's not supposed to, you know. But we're just trying to change the narrative of the minds if we can, you know. But trust me, if we inspire one person, That's a big plus. To make someone smile, to change someone's life. These things are a plus in life. You know, step by step you inspire people. You know, so blessed love, guys. You know, I'm telling you, I feel sorry for myself and Jamaica because the sun is burning hot. You know, and you know drought is also in Jamaica. You know, which is the Prime Minister put an alarm out for literally people to need to be more considerate using the water too much, like water in your gardens or even washing your car, like the car washing that's washing their vehicles. Like, I don't know, they say it's limited, but you know, but we're praying for more rain. We got some rain yesterday, you know, and today come like there wasn't no rain because everything that's come back out burning. So hopefully, you know, all that can change because boy, the sun is really hot. It's hot, you know, hotter than before. You know, it's like the sun is getting more closer to Jamaica, you know, so it's burning. But yes, guys, so stay tuned. You know, I'm on the road, I'm on the journey, so I'm gonna do this. So blessed love. Alright, guys, so I'm stopping off at Pavilion at the Lane Plaza, to come at Living Foods to get myself some living food before I go and take on the road.
What if they do on the laptop?
Yeah. Living Foods and juices. Ooh. Yes, Sonia hot. Alright. Bless him, General. Bless him. No, sir, that's on your heart. No, that drain all the energy. You know what I go on, you know? Oh, this not right. So guys, yeah man, so I already put in my order. You know, but boy, I don't know what I go on with this Sonia. You know, I literally it a drain. Like it's burning like whoop. No sir. The sun proper hot though. The man said the sun that drain like that drain energy like literally like it's burning. Me the thing say you know the sun in Canada would have been hot. But I don't know boy Jamaica is on top. I don't know. It's really on top, so I'm getting a black beans burger, you know, with it's called beetroot bun. So they make the bun from beetroot, you know, and black bean burger with pro-drizer smoothie. My pro-drizer smoothie now is made up of fruits, you know, and then stuff, and protein powder. So, ooh, whoa, man, I tell you, Yes, one whole heap of banana. It's a St. Thomas banana. All the good natural banana, guys, they're gonna blend up and you know what they make with this. It's a St. Thomas banana. They use the native banana.
Not sure, I don't think so.
Oh. So what they're going to make with those banana? What they're going to make with those?
No, that's from the store.
Okay. Smoothie.
For the smoothie.
Okay.
Peel them and put them down in the freezer. And when the smoothie come and make it, everything ice cold.
Okay, yeah. So everything. Yeah. Makes sense. Ooh, them smell good. Ready for me? So, here's my pro-drizer and my black beans burger. So green, spirulina and everything in this fruit, so you know the thing go. Hello. Good. Alright, big up, yeah? Alright. Alright, so I got what I came for, but I never came for the sun. But the sun have me. Gosh. This is not town, this is not sun tan. It's a sun bun. You know? When sun I give bunny and wicked and how female bunny, you know. I'm telling you. The sun you bun hotter. Nobody can't tell me it's a female bun hotter. Come see. Alright. I just have to change my battery as well too. My car battery. I just have to change it as well. I came back. What I should have done, I should have taken off the terminal off the battery before I left. You know, so that kinda run down my battery, so I just have to change my battery literally just now, because imagine when I came, I drive the car, it was alright, you know, for the first day, and the next day, you know, when the rain fell and I went to go start, but my vehicle is not starting, so I literally have to jump start it and just went about, and then I have to literally just buy a battery and I realize nothing had changed, so I guess I'd have to do that, so I just have to spend and buy another battery. So I'll get back to you guys. I'm going to head down into Half 3 more, you know, to go and get the popcorn, and then head into Trenchtown to go back into town, you know, do some run up and down, run around. So, blessed love. Alright guys, so here we're getting some popcorns. So these are the popcorns. So we're getting the list is, this is the list. This is 30 pound of popcorn, 400 cotton candy stick, which is these one. This is the cotton candy stick. And well, then do have the granulated sugar. We have to get granulated sugar somewhere. 400 paper bag, which is the popcorn bags. So you got the right one to charge. Yeah, you can't charge, man. Alright, so this is the popcorn bag. And let me have, you have the snow cone cup.
Paper one like this, yeah?
Are the right one, Dad? Alright, give me 400 of the snow cone cup then. 400 of them. You have bigger than them, right? No. Are they 4.5. Alright, one size. Okay, alright. Alright, so I'm getting 400 of the snow cone cup as well too. So these are the popcorn bags right here. 400. You see the napkin, the 500.
Yeah.
How much should I pack of that?
1,170.
Let me get the That one there as well, please. See the let me get you another tab of the mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise?
Yeah, the big tab one. So guys, so these are for the popcorn bags, cotton candy stick, snow cone cups, and these are some napkins that we're definitely gonna need. And also I need to get some file also. So if don't have no sugar, no syrup as well on the bottle line, so we have to get the lime juice. We have to get this elsewhere. A different one is from the one there. Yes. You see them the file tray there?
Long one then?
Yeah. Can I get 4 of them?
With the cover?
Eh?
With the cover or without?
Yeah, with the cover. So we get this now to put the chicken and the chips inside of this. Alright then, so you can give me a check off then, boss. You have a big box we can pack them in, huh?
Yeah man, it's fine.
Alright. So.
Here it goes.
Like 27, 120.
27,000?
Yeah,
128. Alright, so that came to 27,100 and mash. Right, so we got most of the stuff then for the popcorn and things. So we need to get the syrup, the sugar. As well, so we get the syrup and the sugar. And the lime juice. So this is for one station only. All these are only for one station. So you need to get the rest of the stuff here now. So you're gonna head back into Trenchtown now and go organize the other stuff here. Sorry, Dama Channel, beg you around there, please.
Get them home, man.
Good luck, that's a life, we are life, Stop picking up on this seat there. Yeah, man.
Yeah, we know what's upstairs.
Alright. Woo! Yeah, so we got those stuff. So let's head into Trenchtown now to get some more things sorted out. Oops. Let me put on my seat belt. Alright, so just touched down in Trenchtown. Just arrived here. Some of the members them is on the road. You know what I think? Some of the members them is on the road. So Jaxie is here. Boom is on the road. Pineda is on the road. Refek is on the road. Well, a couple of the members them well is on the road. So it's just us here today. Yeah. It's at the car this one. Yes. Buy this stuff. Then take out the box off for me, please, Jackson. Heavy. And the popcorn, man. Oh, go in this one. Go on. Jackson, I'll take it out and think it's light. Aye, heavy. Yeah. Let me take out the mix. Put it on top. So. Alright, so we need to go town now to go organize, get some juices as well too, and some hot dog stuff for the hot dogs and thing, you know. You know where the thing go. Yes, you here. Baby. I could do baby. I could do baby. Yes, you ready for back to school?
Ready.
But you not go to school, so you can't ready for back to school.
I go to school every day, and I know that. Twice.
Psalms. This is Psalms.
Yeah.
Psalms thing. I'm just gonna get the popcorn and they sitting them.
Okay.
I want to get some juice and thing now. And come back and get the hot dog buns and them good thing down. Franks. So that's all the food. So.
I want light or metal.
Light?
Yeah.
Yeah, let you shine. Alright guys, so I want to give a shout out to Unknown from Miami that literally just donated 7,500 as well towards the back to school treat. You know, Unknown from Miami, well, thank you so much, you know, for your donation towards the back to school treat, you know, which is 7,500. You know, we thank you so much, you know. So now we're going to head literally in town, go get some drinks and come back. Alright then, so we'll be rolling today. We have Rasta Jackson here, we have Esther here, and we have Pineda just come off the road. Just come off the roast.
They are tired, son beat me out. Tell you, yeah man.
The sun
I
bad.
always hear people talk about the sun, but I really know. I tell you, because I walk in and I have to walk up on it. So beat me out. Good job.
Some down here is terrible.
One tree big red and white.
Eh? You have juice?
Sorry, I have juice. Look, a straw juice and make swizzle full kid and...
So guys, so we're downtown.
Sister, the room is so much. She has a leg.
Check out them. 150, 25 coming on. 50. What's it mean? Full eye.
See them have the granite chicken. How much granite chicken for the buy again? Oh, see that? How much them there? 1,000.
Those Jamaica. No showing a light. Showing a light, brown one. Give me them good face on and the type on the mask part in case no dust a blow, you see me? Yeah. Can adjust and tighten. You see me? Yeah. Toes, hello, me didn't tell you no today, no. Me didn't tell you no today, no. Say soon I got it, no. Respect as moment, yeah. Me didn't tell you no today, no.
String. Just as the more one and the man does, the man come right on my foot. Imagine that.
More swizzle, more full kids. Yeah.
How much a case?
Yes, I mean, how much of the kids? You have full kids? You have swizzle?
Oh, how much? So, find out how much coming at the park. 27. 27.
Yeah. 13 physical and 4 kids. 12. How much is one? 10? That be 270.
No, get 10, get 20.
10 get 20. Last month?
20 gets out.
4 kids. No,
it's cool kids now, you know, mix it in now. Just bring the cool kids. Yeah.
How much is it? 540.
Having 540. Alright, you know what? They have chubby as well?
You don't have chubby? You have chubby?
No chubby. Get 15. I get 15 then. Yeah. My sun protector. So this is my sun protector right now. Sun and a phone. Yeah. Imagine I just mentioned so I need something like this for the sun and I might just come from nowhere. You know so. Please. Yeah. I really next to them now, see everything I'm telling them out chubby. Huh? I'll go pay for this first. Pay for this.
So then you get this up from the trade store right now.
By the services, cool kids and the 5 chubby.
No, we're gonna buy
Number 8, that's in who get 8.
8. So make get 10 chubby.
Can I get 10 cases of chubby,
10 cases of chubby.
Is that one?
Yeah. How much come in a case?
44.
Yeah, so yeah, and plus over here, so that's almost 500. Check that.
13,000.
Look at almost.
Yes, I feel. I feel it's me.
You mean? General. Bruce. Yeah. Esther. Cut that one here.
I'm sure we talk, man. Yeah, sure we talk.
Jamaican style. Jamaican style.
Dada, boy. Got the movement, right?
To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. Yeah. To the right, to the right. Venga, señora. Alright guys, so we just got some juices. But look how my car push out. Yeah. So we'll get some chubby as well today. Yeah, but one flavor we get. So here we have some juice there and some chubby over there. Right, we see that car will push out like I hit on the road. Stream, yeah. hold on, I'll drop down that. Oh, take it out. Drop down the seat first, no? What is it?
Hold on.
Put the chubby them right at that space. It's like, yeah. Yeah, all right.
Don't stop.
Slide that one up on the side. No? Put the gun. Yeah, so put it in the side. Let's turn the side and put it in there. You know me? Okay, from a little bit. Yeah. And now a bigger bit. Over? I know me get bigger bit now. Alright, give me 3 of the lime juice, the big one and 2 small ones. Yeah, 3 of them, 2 are small ones. Alright guys, that's 50 pounds of sugar. It's a tornado have on his back right there. That's what they use to make the cotton candy. You know? And that I see the man use as well to make that candy, make the popcorn. The sweet one, the sugar, yeah. Yeah. So 50 pounds of sugar, and these are the juice them, you know, these are the chubbies, and we have the cool kids as well for all the kids. So head back in church town now. Look at them.
Empty tonight.
Eh? Yeah, then we can find the drum. Just the trouble them alone. I bring the straw juice from extra. Yeah. I will never show the juice them, you know. I've got them on More in there?
Yeah, 2 more left.
Let's take for that with it. Got the lime juice there. Ah, nachos. Cool one. Jen. Open the door, sorry man. Love black up here, man.
No, man. Tell them just have to wash it.
Oh, you clean up.
Time of being I want clean with the house in it.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Fresh. Are you clean?
Yeah, man. I'm here alone. So I have to do it, dog. Is it?
Well, you not clean, well proper, man.
Why go to the house, man? Time to be.
Yeah, guys, Ginger clean.
Why go to the
That's the Ginger shower over there with the bill as well, because we get a shower with it, so.
Yeah, man.
Man, clean the place.
So I go.
So when you're bed, I say if you come outside, come get the fresh breeze.
That's a man with chair.
Alright, now we're going to say it's with a chair.
No problem.
So see there? Yeah. Can I the place hot enough? You know, oh, you're in here still, you
So I just put the chair, man.
Yeah.
The chair, man, one day motor do already, bro.
The rest is right there. One big bag of pear pampers. Look for your size.
Yeah, man, respect and love.
For the one.
You can work, man. You can work. You're alright.
Alright.
Respect for them.
Alright.
They can't run out and say, see me.
Yeah.
So, see, I give me a help, you know.
Alright then.
I'm sorry, see me. Never watch you before I come go and see what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I say, go still, see me.
Yeah.
Anymore I come down and all them things. We're not rush the thing.
Yeah, man, man. Alright, don't say that.
But big up key, man, to the extended family, all for love and respect. Every time, you see me? They are active up, man, you see me?
Alright, then don't say that. Alright, just I come from in town, the place hot, more cool off the
Yeah,
thing,
man,
you know?
that's why me just a tool and wash up like place hot, bro.
Yeah.
Can't manage to eat, you see me?
Alright, don't say that. Yeah, man. Alright.
Respect.
Yeah, man. Alright, guys, I'm not like the place is hot. You know, especially down the town. No star. The heat is literally so. Yeah, man. So we got most of the stuff them out the way and all of that. So we give thanks. So what you talk? What me I talk for?
Jesus, that's turning down for me.
Yeah, anything we have to say on camera. Yeah, whisper at the camera and then yeah. Guys, anything what you saying? You know what you hear to, right?
Hi guys. I'm hungry. You say anything? I come and telling you yes. What tell you? Turn the camera for me. Come and telling you.
Yeah. But outside there, so?
Jesus Christ, Akeynote.
Catch you. Oi.
I take them from us, I eat them.
Yeah,
man. Genius.
yeah. No, not the purple one then.
What's that? Pearlberry?
No, elderberry.
Elderberry. Yeah, man. I see one, man. I'm so sure about school, man. I'm so sure about school, man.
Stone love. Hey, Father for the year. Father for the year. And put on one t-shirt there. Yeah. Hello, Shanette. How you doing? Long time.
I heard that you left Jamaica because it was too hot here.
Yeah.
It is too hot actually.
It's too hot, right?
Yeah.
Actually, it is too hot. Why is it so hot?
I don't know.
You don't know?
We're in a supernova.
Hey, listen, it's more than a supernova, boy. It's more than
You said that
evening. High five. High
You
five.
said that this is the normal heat. Like this is the normal heat. It will get way more higher.
Yeah.
Than it is.
Yes. Yeah.
Some places.
Cooler man, you know it goes already, man. Go and make some flex and thing, you know.
Yeah, I love the places where you've been, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
You've been there for me.
Of course, cause you see where I gone.
Yeah, cause I'm not sick. I'm never sick. I'm gonna never be.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
So you feel like you're there.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
I'm gonna look to your eye them.
Alright.
Me, that.
See the eye, yeah? Eye, the eye, the lens is the eye.
Yeah, me love the setting.
But boy, me I tell you,
I love the place.
yeah, over there nice, you know. It's a very family oriented
Yeah,
place. I
and-
really like it so bad because I realize that it's kind of different from both England and America. They have different
Me love the
vibes about it.
the
The whole atmosphere over there is good.
atmosphere.
The people is good.
people
It's good. It's
and
good.
the surrounding.
I know say Canada was a place where a lot of us don't even know much about what going on in Canada because they're so secretive over there.
Yes.
You know, them keep things to themselves.
Canadian
They were so strict as well.
in our history.
Yeah.
They were the first where broke slavery for black people still.
Yeah?
Because that's a black people that run go.
Okay.
Freedom.
Yeah, Canada. Yeah, man.
Big up the Canadian.
Alright. See, they big them up and say big up.
Big up Canadian car.
Yes.
On the first, we call it emancipate black people from
Yeah.
slavery.
Slavery abolished them time. They had,
One people like. Because that's was the road for freedom. I'm not
Okay.
taking for this shit. The American black them.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, man, because you can feel the energy because when you're there, you feel welcome.
Yeah.
Literally, you feel welcome. I like the welcome, you
I'm
know?
tell you, say, I view you from my status and
Yeah.
you know the setting where everywhere you go, that's a jail.
Yeah.
I mean that same way, you know?
Yeah, of
They will never
course.
be, but me seeing.
Because I want away.
Yeah.
From I want away, I see
I'm
me, I
saying.
feel I say yes.
We love the
yeah.
vibe and the setting where you're there on.
Yeah, man.
Because never take you from the status still where you move around and everything.
Yeah.
Because the eyes, my eye them same way. Yeah.
Yeah.
We love the view of Canada.
Yes.
See me?
I like the look, man. Oh, you know?
Yeah.
The place is very clean.
I
man.
don't know, he's not an outdoor man. He's not an outdoor man, so we love the setting.
Yeah. As I said, the place is very clean.
Yeah.
That's what I like about it so much.
And
It
polite
clean.
people and polite. And
Very.
Yeah.
It's a family place, you know. Trust me. Shanette will like to go there one day, right? Of course. You know, I'll be at a Canadian dollar for you that someone sent from over there. You know? Yeah, people always talk about Shanette and Father for the year, you know?
Yeah.
Cause remember, you know, you're a prime example, you know?
Yeah, man.
If you being a father, you know?
I still set the example,
and you
you
still
know?
have set it same way.
As I say, I will never. You know? 1000% father.
Yes, for the year. Yeah, man. Him test a father for the year.
Correct me towards the youth, the man. Other youth too. You see, for the
Yeah.
young, I mean that round them. You see?
Yeah.
And I'm one them alone. You see? My goes out for other.
Kids see me. Yeah.
Sometimes you have to know where you are, because you get caught up with some wrong things.
True. As you say, you have to know where you do as you get caught
People
up.
more now set like how it is. We Jamaican, we fucked up. I'm not going to run corner and tell you.
Yeah.
Because we study everything. We study a brother named Machiavelli.
Machiavelli.
Mine are people. We not talk about black people. Or world.
Yeah, the mentality of them.
We have something like this for them good.
Yeah.
So, we should stick to, even me have it.
It's the ego.
Yeah, me have it, but me know how to deal with it.
Yes.
That's a love for me,
Yeah.
no violence.
Yeah.
You see? So when a man come to me with certain things, tell me,
You don't want to hear that.
I don't want to hear it big on me. That means to turn away with that then.
Yeah.
That's not my part of life, is it?
Yeah. You would keep it on that positive level of reasoning. You can't
deal with
it.
a man not outdoor, man.
You stay indoor and whatever. Because I'm walking across the street and we hear the music and we say, yo, who play that? And I'm saying, yo, father for the ear, man. And the music's loud to the man box there, so this is your little enjoyment with your kids them, you want to relax. Over your corner right there, so like, and they are so cool and relaxing, so yes.
But you can't tell you one word on the outside, right?
Without go.
So I'm not go
the indoor more than a man with the outdoor. We are a little bit different.
Yes.
From the man with the outside.
Yeah, for real.
Mentally, I am thinking,
Yes.
then, so, them outside are negative things. Someone don't want to hear the negative thing.
True.
You know, they're on the negative thing.
Yeah.
Then,
so keep that vibration of positivity.
Yeah,
that's the reasoning. Yes, you know me I tell you, man. And this music you're playing is all about just pure love. It's all about can I feel wait there. The father in love again.
No, really, no. So I can't fall in love again.
Stand up in that love.
Yeah, man, stand up in it.
This time you're gonna stand right up.
Right up. Yeah, I don't know, Miss Right not come yet.
Alright.
And so long me wait for Miss Right.
You hear that? Miss Right, if you're out there, please come and knock the door. He's here waiting.
No, Miss Right not come yet. Yeah. Just go and take care of them and
Shannon, you know? Yes. Of course. I know Sunday now the back to school treat, you know.
Yeah.
Sunday. Over the headquarters, yes.
Never know, but come around there still.
Yeah, I'm thinking they know. Well, no, I make you know, so it's
come never know, say then, please.
Yeah, come back. Couple days now since I reach back. You know.
Even the race, Miss Smith, no, big up Miss Smith, same. Miss Smith?
Yeah.
Big up, you know, card. You did that for me, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, man, she did that for me.
Yeah, man, Michelle.
Yeah, Michelle, yeah?
One Michelle.
Yeah, one Miss Smith.
Yeah.
You see, me live not, she anonymous. You see, me not say where she come from.
Miss Mitch. You want to big her up as well, too?
Yeah, we love you, Miss Mitch, and we appreciate everything you've done for us.
Yeah, man, Miss Smith, man.
Girl. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come on, shake me and pay.
Cooler man. Yeah. Big up. Alright, Ben. Alright, Ben. Yeah, man. Charles is there, man. Charles is there.
I respect her for that still.
Of course.
Yeah, I respect come like.
It's star, man. Yeah, man, it's star.
It's a billion.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about millions, a billion. Pure respect for me, is it?
Yeah.
So sure. Not geek up here still, is it?
Alright.
That's enough bigger for your thing right now, is it?
Yeah. I'm ever $100 a year for you as well too. You know, for father for the year.
Yeah.
From Everton and Anne-Marie, same place from Canada.
Yeah.
You know, sweet 100 Canadian.
Yeah, big up Everton and Anne-Marie from Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah, goes out for you, yeah? Love,
yes,
respect, I'm tell you this. To them 2 years, love, yeah. Not other kids, you know, but them 2 years, love me out them.
Yes.
Because she over 20 years old. She had it. Still up there.
Of course.
I tell you this. Me goes up for she more she. Because she a 1% in her life.
Yeah. Because her disability, yeah.
Because I don't know Kino, we there son. We that watch out thing, but to get the out the man, we see. The other one them got through life.
Yeah, yes.
See, just turn up and because I don't know but me just turn up and just do it so.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, you know, say if you know there's a father, you know.
If I just know say me a father for you. Because I cry water for around 4 or 5 years for you. I tell you the truth.
Yeah.
Me up on the work and love the work too, is it?
Yeah.
Mentality never.
Yeah. You never work out how you want it to.
I wake out them time and find out.
Yeah. But her disability?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mentally, I'm not telling you say a good thing, me not crazy. Because when time I look on it, I can't go crazy.
You have to stand strong.
Yeah, and that's why I don't get crazy. I can't rock cards. I say, I don't know how.
Yeah.
You see me? But father, I don't know why.
Yeah, man, him give you the strength, you know, because you know
Let me tell you, it take a turn to know yourself. take a turn from the say.
True.
Understand me? And I turn to let me know and say Richie.
Yeah.
Stand up and know say boy, hear me? Because the mother used to do them rough. Rough.
That's before she passed away, right?
Yeah, rough. I tell her, rough. I don't want to cuss nobody. I say, but rough.
Yeah.
You get me? Hear me? She what she know say. She beat her hard. I tell her say she not do it. But I talk to her and a while about it. I see disability now.
Yeah.
I got sister on a mic up.
Yeah.
And so I say she mentally interactive. To fear disability.
Yeah.
That means that she can't see no reasonability with nobody.
Yeah. So her brain is very like young.
A 1 year old.
1 year old.
Right now she can't come out of the 1 year old stage. I go to see. You see how she see?
Yeah.
So, as a father, I'm not lady on my heart, I'm lady for she.
True.
Yeah? Why me can maintain Shannon and guide Shannon? I'm lady for she. Because when we talk to her, me know. Because me and the father, me live on her 24/7. Me know she see. You see me?
Yes.
But me now go, because she go by her brother, come back over. She go take her sister Deborah, come back over. Me now go let it straight to her. Because she, if you say, come here, she will come.
I get it, yeah. Because I say she not have the understanding of what's going on. You know, so anybody can call her and pull her left and pull her right and take disadvantage of her because of her disability problem she have, you understand? So as we say, you have to take up the duty, you know, so you're the right.
Sometimes you have
yeah, think about her. Yeah, think about her.
Not tell you choke, I left first. Sometimes I left first, I'm going to left first. Mindset of the car. You don't know about your staying and me live on.
Yes.
Me not got eyes nothing from nobody.
You don't want a disadvantage, basically, you know.
Me not want to know the start. So me there again to make people know, so me there, I will say about there. Yeah.
I get you, man, I understand, man. I feel a father
so,
for you, know.
Let me say,
Anne-Marie and Everton.
Anne-Marie Everton, I big you up, and I love it from your heart for this.
Yes, man.
I tell you that, bona fide.
So, Shanette, you want to thank Anne-Marie and Everton?
Thank you, Anne-Marie and
Everton.
It's so nice of you to thought of us donating to us. I really appreciate that, and I hope you have a blessed day and live a happy, good life forever.
Thank you so much, Shanette. How old are you now?
I'm 11. I'm becoming 12.
Soon, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Coming to my back to school treat. I'm keeping back to school. Yeah, we're gonna have bouncer castle, popcorn, snow clown, lolly. You can have fun, okay? Alright. Father for the year.
Yeah, man.
Can't think the right thing, you know? Alright, then. Anne-Marie.
Anne-Marie.
Yeah.
Peace, yeah? I made a basket never wear anything, yeah?
Never.
I tell you that for real. Take it from me, bona fide, because God bless me and them 2 years.
Yes,
I don't say God bless me and them 2 years.
Of course, see them, man. Fatherly love.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Daddy girls them, you know?
Yeah, man.
So the love is
so
there.
Everton and
Anne-Marie.
I big up yourself. And me a basket never wear anything, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Love you.
Yeah. Alright then.
Yeah.
Bye. Take care. So see you Sunday, okay, Shanette?
Yes.
Alright, so give thanks to Anne-Marie and Everton. We thank you so much, you know, for blessing Father for the year, you know, with him and the kids. You know, it's such a blessing. You know, they can say this man is really passionate, really into his kids them, you understand? So in there for them, you know, show them love, because you know the mom, you know, the mom passed away, you know, while they was younger. So the older one, she got as them say, she mentally, you know, interactive. So them say the mind of a 1 year old, so that will never go away. That's what the father said. So he must be always there, you know, for them, literally. So you have to put up, you know, hats off to him every time, you know, because this man is literally dedicated everything for his kids and kids only, you know. That's always the case.
I will give thanks, you know. So, yeah, man, so blessed love. It was a long day today. And you know, we have the soldier them right here.
Yeah, man. One dream team, man. You hear that?
Yeah. I'm gonna need on the size as well too, because Nurse Jackie, she's coming here soon, and so she need the man them shoes size. Yeah, I forgot. 8. You are 8.5.
Yeah.
You are 8.
Yeah.
And Jackson. Jackson, I want to say it. Alright. No, level. The man passed level long time. Level was 11 years ago. They tell him 11 was 11 years ago.
11 years ago, that man.
13.
13.
Yeah, no.
Put half more upon it.
Exactly. To put an half more?
Yeah, because we want to squeeze up.
So 13.5.
Yeah.
Yes, you see, yeah, the man's size was 11 years ago. He was 11, but now.
You can't remember when you say 11.
So when? 11 years ago.
11 years ago. It's a different year.
I remember it's 11 years ago, Jackson said. Yes, stay there. Yes. Alright, Nurse Jackie, so I'm going to text you, you know, and everything, but yeah, man. Jackson. For 11. I've been on my size at 11. Alright, go ahead, Joe. Go ahead. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.